What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP recently made some moves. We saw it go from a level of 40 cents all the way up to 63, 64 cents. And it's great to see it stay consistent here, that it hasn't really dropped off. Yes, we've seen it pull back with the market, but not necessarily as far as we thought. And even today, it's still above that level of 60 cents. Now, as of the time of recording this video, I don't know, exactly where it is. We're going to have to go through the details of that. But I want to talk about this Ripple versus SEC case because we all know that all we need is a little bit of clarity. We know that there's a lot of misunderstood, price movement, or what this position is completely misunderstood by a lot of the investors in the crypto market, and it's because of the SEC versus Ripple. So with this case, it's absolutely going to cause XRP to explode. Somebody in the comment section today in my live stream, in one of my rare live streams that I've done, said that XRP is going to explode to $1.50 within minutes of the SEC and Ripple settlement. And honestly, I don't necessarily disagree with it that can be a case, or could be the case that it does happen that way. However, it really does depend on what's going on with the entire market, because I don't think we're just going to see one thing that moves, but it could be that this one thing shifts the entire market because it is that important. So let's talk about this, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Also, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys are interested in trading on Margex, you can trade up to a 50x leverage on XRP, 100x leverage on BTC and Ethereum and BNB and all of that. And also you can trade 25x leverage on a lot of meme projects. So, feel free to go ahead and check that out. That link will be at the top of the description. Now, for XRP, I'm a big fan of XRP, and I know you know this. I talk about it pretty much on the daily. I have a lot that's invested into there. It's my largest investment by far, as what I put in there, as well as what I'm currently holding in any investment. It's my largest amount. I have 100,000 XRP, and I'm not rubbing this into anybody's face who can't really afford to have that much. I just wanted to throw as much as I can percentage-wise into there. But XRP, where we saw that drop to, a lot of people were concerned with that activity because it dropped down to a level of 40 cents. And seeing something that, previously the lows that we would see, right? Not saying the lowest low, but the low that we would see is around 50 cents. Seeing that at a level of 40 cents or lower, 39 cents, is not something that really feels great to a lot of people. But currently, XRP is back up to that level of 60 cents. It's up to about 61 cents. Today, it got up to about 62 cents, and it's currently at a $34 billion market cap. You can see the total amount that I have invested into here is $60,996.83. The amount that I invested is about 51 or 52 between that range. So I'm up about like $8,000 on this, and you're seeing a $2 billion volume day for this position. This is definitely something that has a lot of popularity. You can see it by the amount of places that is available and the amount of volume that goes in those places, like Binance, and seeing, hundreds of millions of dollars, like Coinbase seeing tens of millions of dollars, Bybit seeing tens of millions of dollars, and so on and so forth, right? But the one thing that holds XRP back is Ripple versus the SEC. The battle that's been going on for 4 years at this point, and and I think it's a little bit more than that. But you're looking at multiple years that this battle has been going on, and from what the CEO says, Brad Garlinghouse, is 150 plus million dollars that they spent on this lawsuit. Obviously, it's difficult. Now, with every battle that came from the SEC, it seemed like every battle led to some sort of settlement before they even got into court. This obviously is way past that point, and any settlement would be to understand what was right, what was wrong, and what we really need to do in order to move forward, and worry about the regulation portion of it and try and regulate the entire market, right? Rather than just trying to be a dictator in a way. So this article talks about Ripple versus SEC settlement would trigger XRP price rally. What to expect on July 25th. So Ripple versus SEC legal battle, which has cast a long shadow over the crypto market, may finally be nearing its end. Time to rejoice. Speculations about the possible settlement have stirred excitement, suggesting that a favorable outcome might drive XRP's price upward and lead to widespread adoption. The market eagerly awaits the 25th of July meeting, which is expected to clarify XRP's regulatory status. Game changer we've been waiting for. One analyst highlights the crucial moment that could change the fate of XRP. Here's the key insight. Recently, XRP surged over 50% to levels not seen since early April, creating a bullish scenario. This rise was fueled by regulatory uncertainty, especially after last year's finding that XRP is not a security. However, XRP fell nearly 10% when the SEC canceled a major closed-door meeting last week. The rescheduled meeting on July 25th revived hopes, causing a 3% price increase. So we know that XRP is going to be a major part of the bull run or the altcoin season that we eventually will see. We haven't seen yet because Bitcoin's still dominating the market. So once we could see that, once we see XRP or Ripple, kind of, I would say not just out of the SEC's hair, but kind of tied together in a way to say, look, this is where the definition of a security is. This is how we regulate cryptocurrency and all of that, right? And I feel like that comes out of all of this because you've had such a long battle. What are they arguing, right? You're arguing whether it is security, whether you did, trade institutional or sell to institutional investors, and whether that wasn't a security or not, or whether that was violating securities laws or not. But we have to see how that all shakes out. So XRP's fluctuation reflects broader uncertainty in the crypto market. Many observers believe a settlement is possible despite recent setbacks. A settlement could boost XRP's price, or XRP's market position, foster new partnerships, and attract institutional interest. Although Mark Fagel has denied settlement rumors, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is hinted at a resolution. According to cheeky crypto, despite recent volatility, market sentiment remains bullish. Significant capital inflows into XRP present a golden opportunity for investors, but the major question remains, is this a fleeting moment or a sign of a major comeback for XRP? Analysts emphasize that both Ripple and the SEC are likely still working towards a settlement, which could unlock new growth opportunities. And that's all I've been saying in this, is that we will see newer growth opportunities, and these newer growth opportunities can create so much more hype and adoption for the crypto market and belief in crypto in general, that I honestly think it's a fantastic thing for crypto. While some people believe that XRP is dead and that we've seen this level remain consistent for such a long time that it's just going to fall off the face of the earth, and they were so happy when it dropped down to 39 cents and they thought it was going to continue to go, but then when it started to blow up, those people were non-existent. They were nowhere to be found. XRP will be a major part of the crypto market, the crypto industry. Will have major utility as well. Will have an ETF, in my opinion, and that will all come. So I know once we see this settlement, we're going to see so much growth. We're going to see so much movement for XRP because of the fact that you now have a little bit of clarity, right? I don't know as to what level of clarity you will have. I don't know how much they will pay within that settlement, and if we will even see the settlement on the 25th. But all I know is once we see the settlement, that's where you know that things are going to start to change, completely change for XRP. And instead of being a consistent mover that moves up little its and pieces and then ends up decreasing down and looks flat throughout the last 5 years, it starts to look a lot better in the long run. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, feel free to do so. But also, I want you guys to let me know what you think about XRP, where you think it's going, if you think it's dead, if you think it's alive, if you think that we're going to see massive movement, because that's the way that I feel. But it's just my opinion, right? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.